Hello students, I am Dhaval sir, and today I have decided that I'll teach you how to prepare the PDF of your test or the exam paper submission, because we have noticed that many students they don't know how to prepare the PDF, right? So please try to follow the instructions whatever is given by me, and from next time onwards whenever you prepare the PDF, make sure that you prepare the PDF in the same way as I have instructed. Okay, so first of all, to prepare the PDF, you need some application. As I'm having this cam scanner, so I'll try to show you how to prepare the PDF with this cam scanner. So this is cam scanner. Okay, when you will open the cam scanner, it will appear like this. Okay, then after opening the cam scanner, you need to go to this camera button. After going to the camera button, you need to make sure that you are having enough of light so that your writing part is clear. Okay, so I'll do one thing. I'll keep this page. I'll open this page. For example, this is your PDF, your paper. Then what you need to do first, you need to click this picture. Okay, and make sure that is everything visible or not. If I find this thing not visible, I'll be back. Okay, make it closer. Okay, now I'll check it out whether it is clear or not. Yeah, now I can find out that each and everything is perfectly clear. Many a times I've seen many students they prepare the PDF in which the paper is in this position. So make sure that you adjust the paper like this, then select the proper portion of the paper this way, and then you proceed further. Okay, so this is it. So this was the first paper. Okay, first page. Now I'll go to the second page of the paper. Okay, keep it open. I'll show you. I've opened the page, so keep it open like this. Okay, again try to click the picture. Yeah, again see that the picture is proper. Try to select the portion which you want to send it like this. Okay, again select this and make it like this. So we'll see this picture was not okay. Okay, so I'll delete this picture. Yeah, then this is the second picture. You can see here now I am having two pages. First page is this one, which is absolutely visible clearly. Then it is this picture which is again absolutely visible. Okay, still will add 2 to 3 more pages. So this is what I have selected. I have clicked the picture. Now I'll adjust it. Done. So it will appear like this. So make sure that you select the picture in such a way, you click the picture in such a way that it becomes easy for your teacher to read the answers, because if you will not send the PDF in a proper way, then it will become very difficult for us to check your paper. So this is the way. Now we'll move further. Okay, I'll change the page. Okay, again I'll click the picture. So this way what you can do is you can click as many pages you have. Once this is done, the most important thing is to rename the PDF. So what I'll do is I'll click over here. Okay, for example, this is my social science, so I'll write down social science or social studies. Okay, I'll write down social science, round number 7. So I'll write down social science round 7. Okay, and okay, so I'll come to know that this is social science round 7 paper. Okay, even you can add your name. Okay, social science round 7. The name of the student who has written this paper is Babaria Rudra. So I'll write down his name, Babaria Rudra. Okay, please be specific so that it becomes easy for the teacher. So I have written social science round 7 Babaria Rudra. So at least this much instruction, the name of the paper, the date or the round number should be mentioned, as well as your name should be there. After that, you want to create the PDF, then click on the PDF button. Yes, so here it will appear like this, you can see. Okay, so it becomes easy for the teacher to check the paper. If you are not preparing the PDF in the proper way, then it is very difficult for us to check your papers, whether it is your test paper or your exam round. Then what you need to do is share this thing. Okay, I'll share this thing with the teacher. For example, Mihir sir is there. Okay, I'll share this with Mihir sir. So you can find out how does it appear, right? It appears like this: social science round 7. Okay, so when the teacher will open this, okay, it will appear to the teacher like this. You can find it is very easy and convenient for the teacher to read the pages one by one. So this is the method or way how you can create the PDF. Okay, so that's it, student. I hope so that it is clear to you that how to create the PDF. So follow the instructions clearly next time and try to prepare the PDF in the best way and then send it to your teacher. Thank you, everyone.